you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Hello there, car folks, it's your DCS back again. So, before we begin with today's Hot Wheels series, I know it's so cool, but before we begin with this, I just want to tell to all the new people watching this video, please hit that subscribe button down there and also press the bell icon for more of my video updates every weekend. Yes, every weekend, guys. So, okay, going for the Hot Wheels series right away. Okay, not just yet. Let's just talk about the previous video which I uploaded. That was the 71 Dodge Charger, guys. It was also from the Hot Wheels series and it was literally amazing. That was also a cool classic, but not as cool as this one, guys. This has a separate fan base. It's an amazing one. It's the Shelby Cobra 427 SE, guys. That's so cool. Just look at the design. Even though this car does not have AC, who cares? The power is enormous. I mean, for such a little car, that's so cool, guys. It's got 4 out of 5 in Shelby Roadsters. Now the same without the Hot Wheels Flame. Such an amazing car, guys. I can't describe much about it. It's very, very cool. And the SC in the name stands for semi-competition, guys, as they were purposeful, powerful race cars back in the day. Even now they're really powerful. And also, yeah, I really can't say much about it. I just wanted to go for the unboxing, but I'll just say it. It's a very cool and crazy powerful vintage car from the 60s. That's all I can say, guys. So yeah, before we get to the unboxing, I just wanted to tell the last week's quiz. So yeah, the question was, which was the last car to be signed off by Enzo Ferrari? Easy answer, that's the Ferrari F40, guys. And the first person to comment that was Adnan Ramiz. Congratulations there, buddy. You have got a shout out from me. So I hope you're glad about that, guys. So today there's no quiz, so let's go for the unboxing. Alright guys, now it's time for the looks and details of this crazy powerful vintage from the 60s, guys. It's the Shelby Cobra 427. Alright, so at first look, yes, it kinda lacks in the details department, but still, I guess it's kinda cool at the sides, that is, because of its original wheels. That is quite nice. I like the exhaust too, that's so cool. But on the interior, it's a different story, because, yeah, you don't have much. It's just like, I don't know. Well, the plastics aren't so cool. But I like this glass. That is a one-piece glass on the tint. The tint's also pretty damn nice, I guess. Well, at the front, you don't have the headlamp detailing. You don't even have the side view mirrors. Quite a disappointment. At the rear, you have nothing. Not even the nameplate. Well, that's really disappointing. And you don't even have the front, you know, the quick jacks like the racing cars do. I mean, the Cobra has it, but not in the Hot Wheels. Well, that's about it, guys. And this is how it looks at the bottom, complete chromed. Well, at least the exhaust looks pretty nice, and I really like the stripes too. Well, that's about it in the Cobra, guys. So why don't we just go for its information? Let's see what's it got on the hood. Now it's time to talk Shelby Cobra, as it is the information of the Shelby Cobra 427 SC, guys. This cool vintage. Yes, going for the body style at the beginning, guys. The body style is a two-door roadster. Talking about its production, the production actually began in 1965 and it ended up in 1967. Well, that was of the 427 SC in particular, guys. So it was quite a short run. Well, going for the horsepower, guys, the horsepower is 485 horsepower. That's an amazing power for this car, you know, with its body like that, the open wheel design. Yeah, that's a lot of power. Well, going for the engine, guys, the engine is a Ford big block 427 7-liter V8. Yeah, that is a huge engine, and this car is a rear-wheel drive, guys. Well, talking about its transmission, the transmission is a 4-speed top loader manual, guys. Well, don't worry, you even get the 3-speed manuals too, and some of the automatics. Well, going for the width, guys, the width of this car is 1,727 millimeters. Talking about the length of this car is 3,962 millimeters. Going for the weight, the current weight of this car is 1,136 kilograms. That's not bad for, you know, that huge engine. That is a pretty decent weight. And after a lot of searching, I got the 0 to 60 time. Actually, it's about 4.1 seconds, guys. That is the 427 SC's time. Well, not bad. I mean, it is really good. Well, going for the top speed, guys, the top speed of this car is claimed to be 185 miles per hour, which is 298 kilometers per hour. That's almost 300. That's so fast. And going for the last part, guys, the price in the auctions, it is ranging from $2 million to $2.4 million. That's really expensive, like very expensive. Well, you gotta pay the price for such a cool car though. Alright then, now as we have ended up the information, it's time for the ratings. Alright, seeing its very poor details and its really surprising performance, I give it a 6 out of 10, guys. Yes, a 6, because of its poor details in the Hot Wheels, you know. So comment your ratings down below. I'll check them out. So, and it is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for that. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.